Based on our monthly survey of 27,000 businesses worldwide, global supply chain activity was largely unchanged in September. But the story differs sharply by region. In Asia, factories in China ramped up purchasing, driving the strongest growth in manufacturing since mid-2022. Supply chains there are now running close to full capacity. In contrast, North American manufacturers pulled back. Tariff delays and a weaker economic outlook led many companies to scale back purchasing and reduce inventory buffers. Europe remains sluggish, with supply chains at their weakest since March, especially in Germany, France, and Italy. The big picture: we're settling into a new normal, higher prices, tariff pressures, and slower growth. For companies waiting for stability before making major investments in their supply chains, this is as steady as it's going to get. It's time to put revised strategies to build flexibility and resilience into action. Visit www.gep.com/volatility to download this month's full report. I'm Derek Creevy with GEP.